Difference between WAF and Firewall. Scope of protection. A firewall is designed to protect the entire network, including servers, devices, and other systems. A WAF, on the other hand, is specifically designed to protect web applications from threats. It monitors and filters incoming traffic to a web application. Types of threats. A firewall protects against network-based threats, such as malware, viruses, and denial of service (DOS) attacks. WAF protects against web application-based threats, such as cross-site scripting, SQL injection, and cookie poisoning. Deployment. Firewalls can be deployed at various points in a network, such as at the perimeter of a network, between a network and the internet, or within a network. WAFs are typically deployed in front of a web server. Configuration. Firewall is configured using rules that specify which types of traffic are allowed or denied based on factors such as the source and destination IP addresses and port numbers. WAFs are configured using a set of rules that specify which types of traffic should be allowed or blocked based on a variety of criteria, such as the IP address of the requesting client, the type of request being made, and the payload of the request. Stay tuned to our channel for more information on WAFs.